Hey guys, this is Altaf and you're watching Altaf classes. From today onward, we are going to learn web application or web page. So I'm going to teach you how you can learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you ask about prerequisite of the web page development, so I say there is no prerequisite and this is the easiest topic. So from today onward, I'm going to teach you HTML. So let's get started. So now I'm going to, so the only tool you need for this one is Notepad. So in Notepad I'm going to teach you HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So guys, this is not a language, this is a markup language. Markup language means we use tag. What is language? Language you can see C, C++, Java, Python, C#, etc. So this is a markup language. So we use here tag. There are so many built-in tag. So we will use built-in tag. So this is a markup language. So what is the use of HTML? HTML is the basic building block of any web page application. So you need to learn HTML if you want to develop any web page application. So then after that, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascaded Style Sheet. And what is the functionality of the CSS? CSS, as the name represent cascaded style sheet. It add the whatever you write in HTML, it will add the style. Means how will be the background color and all the very different, means many more attribute. So we will see in the future video. And then JavaScript. So JavaScript is its functionality is add the functionality to HTML page. So HTML page means how you can connect with the database and all. So in today's video we are going to learn HTML. So I'm going to teach you why. If I talk about in HTML, in a structure of HTML, so structure of HTML, in any HTML there should be two things is necessary. First thing is your head and second is your body. What is head? Inside head we give a title of my web page. As you can see here, untitled notepad means this is your title. So we can give a title, so we can add the CSS thing and many keyword in this head tag. And in body we will add whatever the thing we want to display on the web browser, so we will add in the body tag. Then if I talk about a skeleton of HTML, so in HTML this way exclamation mark and dog type HTML, it represent I inform the web browser, means it is a document type HTML, means the page is HTML. Doc type means document type. So exclamation, it is not as case sensitive, you can write as a caps also. Then after that doc type I said, and then we have a HTML tag. So this is your opening tag and this is your closing tag, HTML. Okay, this is your opening tag, inside we will write. So what is the function of HTML opening tag and closing? It wrap the content, whatever we will write now, it will wrap the content. Then we have, I already said, head tag, head opening tag and head closing tag. Then body tag, we have body tag, opening body tag and closing body tag. So this is the basic building block of any web page. So inside head we can give the title tag and title. Here inside body tag we will write whatever the content we will display on this one. So let me open any web browser and show you the source code. So I want to open Apple. 1 second. Apple. So I will go to Apple India. See, this is your web page. How beautiful it is. So I want to see the source code of this one. So I will press Ctrl U. It's taking, yeah, it's already. So as you can see, doc type HTML means it informs the web browser that document type is HTML. Then HTML opening tag, and then after that attribute. We will see in the further video. And this is your head tag, head opening tag. And in the last, if I go in the last, there should be a head closing tag. Yeah, body, yeah, head close, sorry, HTML closing tag and body closing tag. Somewhere it is open the body tag. So the main thing I want to clear it, this thing will be present in the every HTML tag. So this is doc HTML, HTML opening tag, head opening tag, head closing tag, body closing tag, and this is your closing HTML tag. So let me close this one. So if you want to give as a comment in anything in HTML, so what you have to write is just give this one and exclamation mark and whatever content you want to write, and this is your comment tag. Whatever you write, you can write. So I'm going to give this one a structure of HTML up to here as a comment. So let me cut paste, Control X. Oh sorry, so it's okay, you know this one is your comment tag. So if I write this one as a, this is my comment, this is my comment, it will not display on your web browser. So you can write as a for your reference HTML. Okay, now this is your HTML, this is your head. Inside head I want to give as a title. So I will give that title opening tag and title closing tag. Title closing tag. Inside title I am going to give the name my first web page. My first web page. So I'm going to save this one as a Control S. So I'm going to save on my desktop. You can give any name. So HTML1. I'm not HTML. My first. So I'm giving the name my first, and extension should be h.html. Yeah, htm. Then it will run. So let me save this one and see, as you can see on the desktop it is created my first. Okay, because I given, and here the title name is my first notepad. So let me open this one. So as you can see, this is my title, my first web page. Now I want to add something inside this. So now I'm going to provide the heading. So let me this one on this side, notepad will be here only. So now I want to add inside a body head tag. So if I talk about heading tag, in HTML we have 6 type of heading. So H1, namely H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So the largest size H1 and the smallest size is H5. So I'm going to write is here something I want to display here. So I'm going to welcome to Altaf classes. Welcome to Altaf classes. So I want to let me save this one. First you have to save and refresh this. So as you can see, this is your heading one and welcome to Altaf classes. I want all heading types. So let me copy this one, Control S, Control V. How many is there? 4. I need 6. This is your 5 and this is your 6. So let me change the name H2, H1 to not H2, then here also h2, and then here h3, h4, and this one is your closing tag is necessary, guys. Without closing tag you can't write, it will not display on your web browser. So h5, and then in last h6. Let me save this one and refresh the page. So as you can see, welcome to Altaf class, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So it is a small, so we are not going to use heading 5 and heading 6. Heading should be little bit large, so we will use heading 1, heading 2, mostly heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4, not heading 2. So now I want to add some comment, means not comment. If you want this, as this is my comment, this is not displayed, so I want to add here inside body. If I control, let me copy this one, control C, and this one control V. So let me save one more time. As you can see, it is not displayed. So right, you can write heading in place here, right? Give a comment and write this is the largest heading, this is the smaller than h1 and greater than h3. Now I want some paragraph inside my web page, so I will give the paragraph tag, opening paragraph tag, and closing paragraph tag. Inside I will write I am learning HTML. I am learning HTML, and then control S, and then refresh it. So here you can see, here is your paragraph, I am learning HTML. So as you can see, this one is your closing body and this is your closing. So hope you guys enjoy this session. Till such time we meet again. Thank you. And one more thing, please, if you like this video, like and subscribe and share to your friend. We meet again, guys. Thank you for watching.